PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
After rubbing, pull back to generate spin. Isn't this spinning now? No spin, no rub. No rub. Right, I didn't rub in front. You see, I also have the cutting motion, but I didn't rub it. I use this timing difference. Isn't there a wiping backward motion? Use this wiping motion to pass the ball over. Isn't this not spinning now? Isn't this without rubbing now? The fake move you make to spin. It is used to not spin. And then spin. Isn't there a wiping backward motion? Then for spinning. Then for this fake move, but for not spinning. Rubbing in front becomes a fake move to remember. Wiping backward becomes a real move now. Actually touching the ball. Isn't this just a timing difference? Not spinning, haha. What about this? Is the spin correct? Is spinning difficult? Yes. Pulling back spins. It's good to relax when not spinning. Relax when spinning. This is too awesome. This is a genuine fake. Right, this is real. Fake, look again. Fake is real. Right, this is fake. Here, hum. Don't spin anymore, right? If it's a spin. Is it back? Look at one more. Don't spin. Not cutting here. Utilize this force to go past. No spin, right? He's cutting with this side. He doesn't need to cut to the ball. Can't spin. How can you cut to the ball? Once you touch the ball, friction will inevitably occur. This doesn't spin. It's not spinning anymore. So, when you make this cutting motion, he must not touch the ball. Touch the ball, it will inevitably have a spin. Did you see it clearly? Look, I see it clearly. Oh, do you see that? Send it over. Right. Use the momentum of pulling it back. Isn't it? Covered it up. See that? No spin at all. So, come on. Absolutely no spin. Absolutely no spin. Right. But once I have friction is real. This friction is real. A fake action of pulling it back. Fake action, relax. Decide that and stick to it, right? This force is called vertical force, right? And then this, pull it back. This lateral force, does it have a point of intersection? Isn't this point of intersection the point of force release? That's basically me finding the inner bottom. It's angled downwards. Finding it here, isn't it angled upwards? Pure bottom. If it doesn't spin, just wait for it to drop. Find a bit towards the back. Spinning at the bottom. Coming back is just that simple. Right. Bottom towards the front. This is the back moving towards the front. Can't just have pure back. Pure back is too obvious. Everyone will know you can't spin. It's slightly towards the back. A bit at the bottom. Feels clumsy. What about the spin? After releasing at the bottom, there's a pulling back feeling. Can you see that feeling? What about sideways up and down? This is inward and towards the bottom. Just let it fall. Inward towards the middle. Isn't it just angled upwards? I have a timing difference when hitting the ball. I probe under the ball. Can I wipe it back after this? At that moment, I hit the ball. So I just need to avoid rubbing against it. Don't just look at it. Finished rubbing. This ball has spin. Can you see me probing underneath? Can you see the rub? I use this. My strength here. This strength has no spin at all. Isn't it obvious? Look, I probe and rub underneath. It spins, right? I don't rub. I just use it. Probe underneath. Is it the upper part of the racket? It's easy to hit the ball. Utilize this upper part. Isn't this just a non-spin? Isn't it obvious? So, what do you see here? No spin, right? It spins. Look how obvious it is. Do you spin the ball? Is it just about applying force forward to create spin? Even without spin, you still move forward. No spin, right? What about side spin? Apply force towards the body because you want to play a short ball. He plays towards the chest cavity. If playing a long ball, aim for the belly. Why is the contact point low for short balls? Is it the breastbone that's long? Is it the belly? I happen to hit right at the belly button. The contact point for short balls is obvious. It long if it's too high? Keep the contact point low, right? Why am I hitting here then? Is it because I hit the ball low that I end up hitting short? Because my contact point is low. Right. What's the difference between topspin and underspin? What's this? Why underspin? Inner side bottom. Why is it topspin then? Just this slight difference in the inner side middle. Look relaxed. Ha ha ha, right? Actually, the force I use definitely isn't as strong as the force of gravity. The gravitational force is quite strong. When falling, I have to throw it higher to break apart. Maybe give you a headache. Right, explain the descent of this object. The force of this descent is very strong. You have to be able to leverage this force. It's all about technique. How much force do I use? Am I gritting my teeth? Coach so often says, you think I'm not putting enough effort into serving, right? So why do they say I can leverage force? I definitely don't have as much strength as any of you. You are all young guys. I'm an old man. Do I have the strength you guys have? So why is my serve more spinny than yours? Is it related to the size of my own strength? Actually, it's not that important. You need to exert force. What's the use of just having brute strength? Right, this leverage. Leveraging this force for a serve. This is a skillful move. It's not brute force. Do you understand? This is using a skillful move. It's not using brute force.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.